Alright, so today I'm replacing center console armrest lid. Got a new part. All you're really going to need is a screwdriver. If you'll open this up, you can see there's not much to work with, but should be able to pop off this back center console cover. Like so. It's just 4 screws, Phillips head. Nope, I lied. 6 screws. And then there are 2 more underneath. And your center console lid will pop right off. It's gonna be the same process to put the new one back on. Got our new part. It's gonna go on like that. We're gonna start with the 2 underneath. And then we're going to put back the original 4. Make sure they're all good, tight. Let's not forget the 2 that go up here.
1 and 2.
There we go. And then this back cover will just pop back in place. And there you have it. A new center console armrest. Functions exactly like the old one. There you have it.